How to delete unwanted clips from the timeline in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and locate the timeline where all your clips are arranged. Next, find the clip or clips you want to remove from your video sequence. Click once on the clip to select it. You will know it's selected when it is highlighted. To delete the clip, simply press the delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the clip from the timeline but won't delete the original media file from your project. If you want to delete multiple clips at once, hold down the shift key and click each clip you want to remove. Then press delete. After deleting clips, you might notice gaps left in the timeline. To close these gaps, you can click and drag the remaining clips to fill the empty space manually. Remember, if you delete a clip by mistake, you can always press Ctrl+Z to undo the action and restore the clip. And that's it. Now you know how to delete unwanted clips from the timeline in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.